Somebody said I should teach how to play jazz. When we say jazz, it's very broad music genre because it deals with different progressions, different approach of playing the solos, singing the songs. So sometimes it's basically how to create or compose the song or how the song was composed. So when we create these two patterns called, that is 5-6-6-5-6-5, we play 6-5 on the key C. We did it in key C. Then we move to La, that is A minor or A minor 7, then G7. We move to A minor or A minor 7, then we move to E. So with that, we play A minor because the chord resolved to A minor or A minor 7. So when we want to play over the A minor 7th chord, A minor is C major. So when we have A minor, it's C major scale because that is A minor. From La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La. That is A minor so first because for A minor, it is Do, Ti, La, So, Fa, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La for the key of C. But when we use the A, it is Do, Re, Mo, Fa, So, Si, Do. So you see, it's like we are playing C major, but you see that you resolve to the La, so La. So let's go. Sometimes jazz musicians or jazz players, they use chromatic scales together with the minor scale and major scale. So jazz is a very broad topic. This is an introduction. We'll go back again, do different lessons on this topic. For jazz, we cannot just play only once and it's okay. Because the jazz players do normally play Do for the A minor, La for C major. So they play you normally hear this scale in the jazz players. That is Fa, Mo, Fa, Mi, Mo, Do for the key A. Fa, Mi, Mo, Do, Ti, Do, So, Fi, Fa. So sometimes play over that scale that is chromatic. Fa, Mo, Mi, Mo. Because this is Do. If you use the C major, this is Re, Di, Do. So they play that, or then resolve to do. So they use pentatonic scale, pentatonic minor scale, chromatic scale, major scale, and other related scales. So when we say jazz, the players do you hear those words from George Benson and other players as well. But George Benson normally use this type of playing. So that's over the pentatonic, the chromatic scale. Then resolve to the la. So not only a minor scale we can play. So if we say we are playing maybe 1 6 4 5 concept, or 1 6 4 5 concept, that is amponsa. That is do la fa so o do fa so o do la re so. The same scale we can copy them and bring to our songs. So when learning jazz, you have to understand exactly what we are doing. So let's back something like amponsa. impression over the chords we are playing. So you see, when we play the whole laugh as the keyboard is playing, so let's go. Fa, so we can go to C minor. So we can play C minor scale over it. You see, so this here, when I came here, it is E flat major scale that I play over the do la fa. So because E flat major, when you play to la, you resolve your solo to la. It brings you to do in the key of C. So I can choose to play minor over the major or major over the major. So when I play E flat over the flat scale. Do ti la so fa mi re do ti la. That's resolved to do for me in the key of C. Or I can choose to play do ti la so fa mi re do ti lo in the key of C. This is major, and when we move to the E flat, it has given us the minor. The same thing when we go to choir. I don't want them to make the lesson very long, because this is just an introduction. We will do the part 2, this part 1 of introduction to jazz playing. Because somebody asked me a question about jazz playing, that I should teach jazz, and it's not one day work or just one lesson you get to understand exactly what we mean. There is difference between jazz and blues. So let's create some blues impression too and see the difference between, because jazz has their style and the way of playing that differs from the blues playing. Blues playing sometimes play one basic solo or one basic scale over the chord changes. Sometimes chord changes do not change often, because they can play la 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 la. So let's play la la on the keys. So you move with the pentatonic minor scale or the blues scale, or mingle the two. So when I say we want to play, blues, sometimes they deal with the playing techniques like bending, slide off, but sometimes pentatonic scale, pentatonic minor scale, or the blues scale. So we've done much on the pentatonic scale because we are playing the la la la. So we are doing the pentatonic minor over the minor scale here because this is A minor, and we are playing C major, a C pentatonic scale, resolving to the A minor pentatonic. That is the pentatonic minor. So in the next lesson, this is just an introduction. I don't want to add a blues scale to it because they play the blues scale and the pentatonic minor scale often than any other scale. That makes the difference between jazz and blues. So with this, I don't want us to waste much time on this topic. We will end the case here. So I'm here with my friend, my keyboardist, my sound engineer, OB Mix. So you can cross-check his channel. He too has a channel teaching keyboard, the lesson on piano. So check Obin TV. That is his channel. So if you are a supporter of a keyboard, or you are a fan of keyboard, or your friend has a keyboard and you want to learn, just check Obin TV. OBENG. Then you add TV. OBENG. He has a lesson from the beginner to advanced, intermediate. Every lesson that you want, being called jazz covers, solo covers, he has a lessons on these topics. I'm telling you, trust me, when you visit his channel too, you'll be very happy visiting the channel. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel too for keyboard lessons, and introduce the channel to your friends to join him. There is a whole lot of lessons from beginner to advanced, keyboard lesson, chord, jazz, everything you want to know on keyboard too is available there at Obin TV. So thank you very much. If you want to learn sound engineering too, he is sound engineer. Check Obin TV and leave a comment under one of the videos there. He will respond to you. Even if you want to learn keyboard engineer, so it's a whole package for you. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We shall meet very soon for the next lesson.